So it's been over a year since ballistics expert Colonel Chris Mangena testified. Amongst his shocking evidence, Mangena linked accused number 3 Mthobisi Mncube to Senzo Meyiwa's murder. Mangena also revealed that Meyiwa was shot at close range. But just as cross-examination was due to commence, it was again halted. There was about an hour testimony missing from the transcription, including charts that were prepared.
Coming back, my lord, to the second issue that led to the delay in the commencement of the proceedings, when scouring through the record, we discovered that there are certain portions of Lieutenant Colonel Mangena's evidence which are missing from the transcribed records that we have received. We have received 2 sets of transcribed records. The first set is for the 30th of August 2023, which goes from page 1 up to page 74. Then the second transcribed record that we received, it's for the one covering the 31st of August 2023. And in neither of these 2 sets of records is the evidence of Colonel Mangena contained that pertains in particular to the findings that he arrived at, the court charts that he had prepared. And our suggestion, my lord, after conferring with my colleagues, was that we listen to the recordings to see if those missing parts are indeed in the recording, and we can then take it from that point. I think we are all agreed that the missing parts are crucial for the purpose of cross-examination and for the witness, especially in light of the fact that it's been close to a year that he has given his evidence. We therefore suggest, my lord, that perhaps we should take a short adjournment so that we listen to the recordings and will then apprise of the court of what is contained in the recordings.
Mr. Mthobisi.
That is the arrangement at stage to listen to the recordings.
As the court pleases, my lord, I do concur with my learned colleague about the arrangements, my lord.
As it is the court, my lord, I share the same sentiment.
As the court pleases, my lord, I share the same sentiment. That is the arrangement. Thank you.
Judge Ratamokwatleng visibly irritated.
You know what, the JP is perturbed by this case. He actually remarks that he thinks I'm enjoying this case. That's why it's not finishing. That's his remarks. He wants this case to finish and be finalized, because this case affects some persons and they want to know how it finishes. Now we're coming back. The record is missing. We want to listen to it. Our notes, you record what is important and what is not important, you don't record. And Mangena comes and says, oh, you know what? I have everything except 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can't give evidence without what you say is missing. I can give evidence. You can give evidence. Okay, let's adjourn for 30 minutes. And then after that, you'll tell me what we do.
Forcing the court to call in officials to establish when the transcription will be ready.
Tomorrow morning.
Yes, and overnight is overnight by the next day. So it's 9 a.m. tomorrow morning.
It will be ready 9 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Are you sure, sir? Ma'am?
Yes.
Judge Ratamokwatleng refused for the matter to be postponed to Wednesday and said it should resume tomorrow. Chriselda Lewis, SABC News at the High Court in Pretoria.